It is not a real flower.
Big into lavender.
Yeah. It's like, I swear I haven't seen lavender all year.
A butterfly! Did you get a butterfly in your head?
Babe, what's on my head?
I thought it was a moth at first. That was cute. It's a butterfly. Oh my god, who is it? It's Michael Jackson.
Tell me will you hold me? When wrong will you scold me?
My God, a bird just landed on Dad, dude.
But they told me I'm actually fit
I think you're caught. Are you caught in my hair?
and fight.
I just...
But I only care
You're filmed.
Прекрасна, гарна погода, яка так